Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolute must for any home, and it is a first aid kit. Now this thing is absolutely great to keep in your medicine cabinet in your house. Maybe you are traveling and you want to carry everything with you, or just throw it in your car so that way if you have an emergency in your car, you're going to be set up. And so this was sent over by a company called Senvok, and as you can see, it comes in this nice little red canvas kit. This is 121 pieces, so it's got everything in here, but it's not very big when it comes into size, so it's all packed in here. Give you an idea, it's about 5 1/4 by 7.5 by 3 3/4. It has little kind of backpack buckles here on the back, so if you want to strap it to something, you can. It has a little zipper here in the front in case you want to put any instructions or anything like that. And then you got your main zipper down here at the bottom, which opens it up. And then as you're going to see, you're going to get a little bit of everything in here. This is going to cover essentially all your kind of wound care to your personal care items, full coverage, if you will. And everything's nice and labeled. So you're gonna see, it's gonna say, hey, removable pins, tweezers, shears, cleaning hygiene wipes, minor wounds, cotton gauze swabs, eye patches. It's got everything in here. So everything's nice and sealed. So that way, when you're utilizing it, you know you're getting a fresh batch out of everything. Got plenty of bandages, Q-tips, band-aids, masks. You got a little bit of everything in here. You got gauze. It's all tucked away. You even have a CPR kit, nice shears for cutting the gauze, tweezers, and then obviously you're gonna get like the wound care device here. And then there's even a little first aid booklet here in the back, which gives you a little guide here on various things that you may be needing to do, like for example, CPR and that kind of stuff. So depending on what your situation is, it's gonna help you, especially if you got like a broken arm and all that kind of stuff, to kind of patch it up, which it's just got a ton of stuff. I can't stress how much stuff is in here. Gloves, it's even got like one of those little thermal blankets, little space blankets to keep you warm if you're out and about. But overall, if you are in the market and you're looking for an absolute great kit that's got a little bit of everything, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.